Catchin'rays. I'm Pranith. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to make a floating candle and a scented candle at home. So I'm not going to waste time, so let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to make is a floating candle. We need water, cotton threads, a matchbox, 2 glasses, and food coloring, oil, plastic sheet, and scissors. The first thing we have to do is you have to pour some water in 2 glasses. Next, I'm going to add some food color. And I'm going to add orange in this cup and red in this cup. Let's mix it well. Next, we're going to add 2 spoons of oil in each glass. Next, we will have to take a plastic sheet. Then we will have to cut the plastic sheet in 2 circles, and I've already cut it some circles. Then make 2 center holes. We will have to dip the cotton threads into the oil. Next, we'll have to take the cotton thread and put it through the hole. See, I've made like this. Next, I am going to put the thread in the water and make it float. Here, our floating candles are ready. Let's light it. Here it is. Beautiful. I'm going to keep the floating candles aside. Now I'm going to make the scented candle. So these are all things we need. Cotton threads, a crayon, 2 glasses, vanilla essence, and rose water essence, and a candle. First, I'm going to melt this candle and make it green by using this crayon. So for that, we will have to melt this candle and the crayon in the microwave. I will melt it and come back. Guys, I have melted the crayon and the white candle. Look, it's very green. First, put the cotton string in the cup, then transfer the green wax into this cup. See guys, I've transferred it. So I am going to add vanilla essence. Mix it well. You can add any other flavor that you like, but I like vanilla better. Now let's give some time for the wax to set. Look guys, our scented candle is ready. Let me smell it. It smells like vanilla ice cream. Let's light it. Here's our scented candle made at home. The floating and the scented candles are ready. I hope you guys are going to try these at home. It's about to explode, maybe. Now it's time for a tricky challenge. And here's the question. What comes in once a minute, twice a moment, and never comes in 1,000 years? What is it? Let's see the last week's challenge. Be tall when I'm young, and I will be small when I'm old. Who am I? And the answer is candle. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you smack the like button. And send me email at catchin'rays.pronnies@gmail.com. Bye!